I picked up the flooring earlier this week, but I haven't had a chance to unroll it and look at it. If it doesn't work, I'll have to order something new, so I need to figure that out. Taking the morning off from the van build, which means one thing: trips to the hardware store. So today I am picking up some fun and big things. I have to pick up some extra pieces of lumber, flooring, and cabinets. Both are in. I can't wait to get them in the van. Today is a good excuse to drive the van, pick up some great things to put in it, and enjoy this beautiful day. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the van. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura, and I'm converting this Ford Transit van into an off-grid camper so that I can road trip the US and visit all of the national parks. Yesterday, I went and picked up some more wood for the van, my cabinets, and my flooring. But you didn't see all of that because the battery died. So here are my kitchen cabinets. They are still in the box. I have a set of drawers and then a door. This is where my water storage will be. My sink will be up here, and then this is where I'll store all the kitchen stuff. It should be perfect, but it's also strange to have all of this in the van knowing it's gonna stay. Up until now, it's just a big empty van and it feels like there's a lot of space, and now I have these taking all of it up. On top of that, this is where the bed's gonna be. So once I get that in, this is all the space I'll have. Before we get started, if it's your first time here, take a second to click subscribe. It means a lot to me and really helps me support continuing to make these videos. If you find the video fun or helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Today, we're gonna start with finishing the shiplap on this wall and then cleaning up all the spots like this that need to be filled in with wood before I can start painting later this week. I'm gonna get these out of the van so I have room to work and then get started. One more wall to go. Once I have this done, all the walls will be covered. Oh, so nice to see that done. Now that I've gone through and sanded all of them, I'm putting more wood putty in. This time I'm spreading it out so that when I sand it, it should look super smooth. Hopefully it'll work well. I'm gonna wrap up today finishing this project. I'll see you all in the morning. Today I have a deadline. I convinced Courtney to help me paint tomorrow, so I need to finish all of this so that tomorrow we can paint the van. Obviously, I'm super excited to paint the van. It's gonna look so much different once we have the paint on. I have everything I need today, and of course, I have to do more sanding. I'm gonna get started right where I left off yesterday. Once that dries, we should be all set. Since the wires are so thick up here, I have to use a pretty big board. Luckily, I have these holes right here where I should be able to clamp it down. I'm gonna try and use these F clamps first and then C clamps if we can't get that to fit. I think I'm gonna wait till the end of the day because there's zero chance we can get this wall done with this in the way. I would hit my head or knock my eye out at least 1,000 times. So that's ready to go. I'm gonna wait till the end of the day to put it up. Just trying to get the last pieces of shiplap onto the wall. Really not going well. It's been about an hour maybe trying to get it up here. Well, that's not going in today. I need either new drill bits or something. It's so frustrating. I was able to drill into all the metal, and this just isn't happening. I think that it's just harder metal. It's not happening. I might try and get a new drill bit, but zero chance. Well, that is not going up today. That's what that is. I have to say, I'm pretty disappointed to not get this wall finished today. It feels like I just have been spinning my wheels, trying to get all the things done to paint tomorrow, and it is not gonna happen. So, I am gonna finish the day sanding and filling in some of the spaces so that I can at least do some painting tomorrow morning. As much as I hate sanding, at least you can see your progress and feel accomplished. So I'm going to end the day on that high note. I will catch you guys in the morning and we will paint, even if it's not the whole van. Time for a little more power. See how this does. I think that's it for my sanding tonight. I'm gonna do a few more things and call it a day. Tomorrow, even though we won't be painting this wall, we'll be painting what we can. I'll see you then. Welcome back. Today is the day I've been waiting for a week. We are gonna paint. I've recruited Courtney to help me finish sanding, of course, and start painting the van. I can't wait to see everything transform and go from being different colors to white. That's what we're gonna do today. We have a few things to clean up before we get started. Are you excited?
I'm excited. Paint day.
Paint day. Everyone knows that I was struggling to pick out a white color, Shout out to Tiffany for picking out sterling white. It looks perfect. Hopefully we'll be able to knock this out in about an hour. First coat is done. Now we're gonna clean up all of this, and I wanna get the flooring out. I haven't seen it yet, and I wanna see if it'll work. I picked up the flooring earlier this week, but I haven't had a chance to unroll it and look at it. Now that we have the first coat of white paint on the van, I think it's the perfect time to take a look at it and make sure it works. If it doesn't work, I'll have to order something new, so I need to figure that out. This is the first time I'm seeing it, so I'm really excited to see it rolled out. What's the verdict? I think I like it. I thought that the hexagons would be a little smaller, so when I saw it rolled up, I expected that they would be too big, and now that it's laid out a little bit, I think it's perfect. I think it looks really good against the wall.
Yeah, the white looks really good.
And I think that having some variations in the floor will help, because eventually it will get dirty. And especially like going in and out of it, it'll get dirty. So that should cover up some of that too. It's not as soft as I expected. I was worried that it'd be softer and it'd be easy to scratch, but this looks like a good balance. That is all we're gonna get done today. Let me know in the comments what you think now that the van is starting to come together. I'm so excited to see everything. I obviously have a little bit more work to get done, which I'm gonna do at the beginning of next week. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, take a second to do that, because everything is starting to come together right now. I will catch you next week with more updates.